Welcome to our channel, where we explore the intersection of AI, crypto trading, and content creation tools. Our goal is to promote valuable ideas and strategies to everyone looking to navigate the ever-evolving world of technology. First and foremost, our channel is dedicated to all things AI. We dive deep into the latest advancements in the field, discussing everything from natural language processing and computer vision to machine learning and deep learning. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, our content is designed to help you stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in AI. But that's not all we cover. We also delve into the world of crypto psychology, providing in-depth analysis of the latest trends and market movements. We believe that understanding the psychology behind crypto trading is just as important as understanding the technology itself, and that's why we place a strong emphasis on trading psychology in our content. We also provide tools and strategies for analyzing crypto markets and making informed trading decisions. In addition to our focus on AI and crypto psychology, we also explore the tools and strategies content creators can use to effectively produce and distribute their content. From video editing software to social media management, we cover a wide range of topics that can help content creators of all levels improve their craft. Finally, we explore the exciting world of chatbots. We discuss the latest advancements in natural language processing and AI that are powering chatbots, as well as the various use cases for chatbots in business and everyday life. We also provide tips and strategies to use effective chatbots in your business. Overall, our channel is all about exploring the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping our world and providing valuable insights and strategies for those looking to stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a crypto trader, a content creator, or just someone who's interested in technology and finance, there's something for everyone on our channel. Subscribe now and join us on our journey. Thanks for watching.